What is up, YouTube? I'm back with singing. Today, we're gonna do this challenge that you only can type, not talk, in all the videos. So yeah, see you at the end. Peace.
Kind of cool because right now, well, I mean, we look kind of cool, okay? You know, we have the particles coming out of us, yada yada yada. But the thing is, I'm barely growing in size, dude. I mean, like, we're at 700 strength, and I feel like we're at the exact same size that we were at right at the beginning. I don't feel like we've grown at all. All right, if you look at this guy, that's what I started at, and he just murdered me somehow. I guess I just suck still, and I've barely grown. So, I mean, obviously, we look like we're in our teenage years or something. I look awkward. I look really awkward and uncomfortable. Wait a minute, this guy is white as your skin, yellow chef man. What? What the heck did you just say? And then you kill me? What? You asked me a question like that and then murder me? Oh, I cannot stand for this. I cannot stand for this one bit. You must die, my friend. You can't say questions like that and expect to escape out alive. All right, wait a minute. I need to goddamn get some more health and some more speed here, okay? If we're gonna take out red shards, I need some goddamn speed. All right, give me all this crap. I'm taking this guy out. All right, you're going. Oh. This guy's literally a god. What the heck? Alright, we have an enemy to beat, okay? His name's Red Shark, alright? Wait, he has zero everything. How the heck is he killing me in one punch? He literally has zero of everything. What? I'm so confused. How the heck is this guy the strongest man on Earth? I don't understand at all. Is this literally the one punch man? Alright, I need to escape into the long dark, okay? I can't let anyone see me for a long time until I become actual god size. Also, are we gonna notice that that thing looks like a butt? Like, honestly, are we gonna acknowledge that? Because, honestly, it looks like we're surrounded by butts. These don't look like clouds. Alright, boys, it's time to see some growth. Okay, so what's weird about this game is, like, if you drink a bunch of potions, you don't see your power until you lift a weight again. So right here, I think we probably... We drank 50 plus potions easily. We've had so many of them, alright? So we have 1,000 strength basically right now. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and lift and let's see where we get to, alright? Just lift me up a little bit. Lift me. What are we gonna get to? Give me that strength. How many times do I gotta lift it? Dude, give me the strength. Give me the strength. What the crap? What the oh 3,578. They don't even know what to do with my body. They were just like the only thing is, I think I have to die to see growth or something because, like, honestly, we're really small, and the guys who were at size 5,000 were goddamn massive. So I think I have to die. I have no idea how big we're gonna be here. We were not big at all. Keep that in mind. We were still a midget. And what? What is this, dude? Make me big. I don't like this. How am I not big? I am so confused. Okay, literally, everyone else is a goddamn giant. How is this guy like a bazillion levels or something? I don't understand. Do I have to meditate to do it? What do I have to do? Just tell me. I am literally so goddamn confused. I just want to kill someone. God dang it, and I can't kill anyone because I'm so weak. God dang it. All right, you know what? I don't stop in the name of evil. Okay, I am the greatest god that's ever roamed these earths. I am going to gain levels until we are the strongest god in the world. From what you guys can see right here, this guy is at level 12,000. Okay, my goal is to beat him. It's game time, boys. It's time to level up. Oh, well, that's just lovely. All right, so I was trying to make it all epic. You know, I was gonna do an awesome thing. You know, where I like died and all that stuff, and I came back stronger. But I accidentally killed myself, so that was absolutely lovely. So now our speed has already adjusted crazily. Literally, we are lightning fast. Literally, what happened was I was trying to avoid death super hard, so my idea was to just buy a bunch of speed and to run away from people, but turns out you have to die to see all that, but we've already noticed a lot of it. Alright, but we're still actually, we haven't even grown in strength yet, which is perfect, because I want to do like a big epic moment, you know, where you see it like blow up. You know, I'm hoping to be bigger than the stars. Anyway, I thought I would update you guys with a small little clip, I don't know. Alright, well, I predicted my own goddamn death, okay? A bacon man came out of nowhere and decided to shoot me in the head. Not literally, but he shot me in the head with his fist. Alright, because I died. Alright, but you know what? I'm getting real fed up with this, okay? I just want to go ahead. Alright, I've been grinding away, trying to get a lot of speed, a lot of health, a lot of strength, and I want to see how goddamn strong I'm gonna be, alright? Lift this puppy! Whoa! Lift this! Lift! What are we? 7,886. God dang it, we're literally lightning fast. We're super strong, but yet we're still not going to be strong enough to take out that guy at the top. God dang it, I have to grind once more. One. Alright, so we have finally finished training, okay? I believe that this should put us over 10,000 strength, okay? I'm not fully sure, but I think so, alright? So we're gonna go ahead and try it out, alright? I've been trying to avoid death from this guy for like a year, okay? This bacon man, he just seriously loves murdering, okay? And it's been difficult to train, alright? So let's go ahead, lift this weight, and let's see what strength we're gonna get to now, okay? This is all we wanted, yes! We got to 11,000 strength, yes! In freaking like from 0 to 11,000 in like 1 second, okay? It took like a bazillion years actually in actuality, but we did it pretty fast. We can finally go and murder this guy who is sitting at number 1. Alright, he should be in here. He was training with everyone in here, alright? I believe he should be in here somewhere. Where there he is. There he is. This guy right here. He just all he does is murder people, alright? And see, now I can actually take him on. He's like, oh, what? Someone is actually killing me? What? This is impossible. See, but it is. He's already halfway down. We haven't even taken a hit. He's gonna die, my friends. This is what we were training for. This is literally God's fighting right here. Who would have thought we'd be so small? But he's trying hard. What? Are you kidding me? I literally hit him 7 times. I have 400 less strength than this guy. Alright, and somehow he kills me in 1 punch. Yeah! Suck it, dude. That's what I thought. Just like that, we've trained to become the number 1 person on the server. We can now kill anyone with a single blow. Just like that. Beautiful. So, hopefully you guys did enjoy God Simulator 2. This was probably my least favorite simulator we've ever played. Just because it makes no sense. It just literally makes no sense to me how any of this works. First off, why do you not grow in size and yet I'm the second biggest on the server? And second, why the heck do none of these things do anything? Like these column weights, they say that they increase you, but they don't. The 2 times strength doesn't do anything. I don't know. This game makes no sense to me. But honestly, it was really fun grinding to get to the top. I don't know why. I always love becoming number 1 on the server. But we basically became number 1, I would say, in like 1 second. Alright, we went from like level 0 because we kind of just like blasted, you know what I mean? Because we were just so freaking low level and we blasted the top. I don't know, it was awesome. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a Roblox video. See you later, guys.
I'm bored.
Ask Mom if I could eat something.
No, I did. Yes, YouTube. Finally,
Hey, what's going on, friends? My name is Darzet, your favorite.
finally I completed that challenge. That challenge was by one of my friends on Roblox. Shout out to all these dudes over here. All of them right here. Shout out to them. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button. My Discord will be in the description below. Yeah, and peace out. Bye.